Hello, people. So, camera setup has changed. Camera is here. Hello. Head and yes. Please also go ahead and throw light at me. Yeah. Here's the mic. Hello, people. Is it too loud? I don't care. It believes. Oh, okay. Too loud, 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 too loud. Too loud. No, 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 no. Let's just talk. Bro, why is it going in red? Uh, Advanced audio properties. Okay. Uh, Input capture minus 4.5 decibels. What does that mean? Uh, uh, Droid is not sending any. Enable audio. Okay, just go ahead and hide this. Okay, because active sources only. Active. Hello. I think I have applied any something like. Okay, just let's just go. Hi, welcome back to 0x section. Oh my god, that's a lot of forehead to work with. You might land even planes, right? I believe America will be attacking this section any moment now. Too much oil, bro. What is that? Okay. Just remove this old video capture. Yes, please go and let me just shrink myself. Yes. Okay, let's see if we are live. I was just setting up this Droid webcam. And okay, wait. Yes. Bro, what is. Yes. Can I go here? Will that be okay? Just close here, man. Come on. Here? Will that be okay? I think that like this will be good. Yeah, because I'm sitting like that only. I think that this will be, yeah, because I'm sitting like that only. Let's just go ahead. Hi, I love your streams. Let's just go. Okay, so I'm back, right? I was just doing some lead code grind, right? You can see that. Here it is. Yeah. Can the camera see it? I was doing this lead code cycle, linked list cycle 2. Uh, yes. Okay. So that's good and all, right? And let's just go ahead and okay, what all I did, right? Let's just go ahead to. I have started I've made some plans, I've made some changes, right? So we will talk about that, right? Okay, let's. Oh my god. So what happened is like, uh, That's my right profile. This is my left profile. I believe my left profile looks good, but how can I set up camera here? Oh, here, right there. Uh, yeah, at this moment, camera is there. Yeah, so I'm pointing it. So it's my right. This is right. Okay. So let's just. So what happened is like I got to know that I cannot be a. I can be a that would require me to grind like 24. That would require a lot of grind, but like I can do that. But my parents are not that supportive. But they are supporting me. But it's okay. I have come to the conclusion that I need to get into any job, and then while earning, I will prepare for the HFT roles, right? And it's okay. It's okay. They are supportive. They are very supportive, but I don't think I can like handle this sitting around in my house and no, I cannot do that, right? So that is that. Let's just go ahead and start with what I did today. Take you forward. I did take you forward today, yeah. So let's just go ahead and log in. I believe we are logged in. Feature alert. Striver, he has been making a lot of this code navigation. Wow, that's good. Also, this guy do the Shivi. So funny story. Shivi is the she was also my batchmate. So like, I was in CST. She was also in CST. She was in computer science and engineering. I was in computer science and technology. There were two different branches, right? So because yeah, same thing. But like, uh, they are not same thing. Computer science and technology, computer science and engineering. But at the end of the day, they both write on paper, right? So same thing like that. Okay. So Shivi was my like we chose the full stack development, and she was my batchmate. So we were like batchmates. I don't think she would consider me as a friend, and I do not think I can consider her as a friend because we have talked for like few words. Hi, hello, hey there. How's the assignment coming up? That's all. That's all. So batchmate. Yeah. I've started keeping boundaries. I've been hurt a lot. So let's just not go there. Okay. So funny story. What happened is like there's a lot of bundled wire here. Oh my god, why is my vest doing that? Okay, yeah. I'm really good. So here's Mr. Pengu. Yep. And let's just my table is a mess right now. I can show you, but it's a mess. It's a mess. I'm just recording this video so that we can go ahead with the. You please sit there and do not move. This guy moves a lot. This guy moves a lot, bro. So let's just go and talk about what I have been up to. It was literally showing that you're logged in. Let's just go and sakshamutta.ai. Go to home, sheet, and be learn linked list, right? Yes, I was on learn linked list. So I was doing LRU cache problem, right? That is it is a very popular question and asked in a lot of interviews. But see, Striver is also there. So like, why does this keep logging out, man? Come on. Oh, okay. My code will also not load because they use like local storage. I have to pay to upgrade to a session storage or something like that to store my code on their server. But it's okay, I believe, because there are a lot of lead code grinders, so they cannot afford to store everyone's code on the server, that on the database or server, like that would be a lot of expense. That would be did it trigger Google? Hey Google. Okay Google. Nah. So I believe that someone's Mehndi function is going on. So you guys are not hearing the voice, but like it is going on, right? So yeah, that is that. So I was doing this question. I came to yeah. Please, okay Google. Please cancel. That is good. That is good. My camera is still working. I'm using my phone as a camera, so it's that. So not using laptop. So you can see that. I can like add it as a input, but like it would like look very. So I would like to give you a comparison. So go ahead and uh, crossbar configure video. Nah, please don't. Device default. Okay. Yes. So this is what like the laptop camera shows, and this is what my phone camera shows. Very high like picture quality in that, right? Let's just go ahead and cancel that. Remove. Yes, please go. We will stick with this. So until I'm talking, I will just go ahead and like zoom myself. So in this question, right? In this question, right? So what happens is like there is a least recently used cache. So at the end of the day, this question can be done using vector of vectors, right? But that would be O of n square operations and O of n space complexity, yes. And we have to do it over an average time. Come on. So that is not a good one. So I got to know that we have to use a doubly linked list in this question, and I skipped that while studying linked list. Uh, so that's I should not have done that, but like okay. So I went back and did the doubly linked list, and see that's there. So yeah, please. I So I did these array conversion to doubly linked list deletions and insertions, and I got to know that doubly linked list is better in some sorts, but it's okay. So I also did this reverse doubly linked list. So like uh HackerRank also has that, nice, but I did this in yeah, right, and see already logged in. So this is reverse doubly linked list. So basically in this it is same as like how we would what happened, bro. uh what the hell just happened, man? 720, yes, I did, bro. What is, oh my god, did you see that? Did you guys see that, bro? It completely, oh my god. Oh, I believe it was syncing to the database. I am on the leaderboard as well as, oh my god, come on, let me just see my leaderboard, man. Leader, oh bhai. Rank 30th, okay. Zero experiences, what? uh it would show here what Coding Ninja profile views. Yeah, that's good. Uh, Go to top. XP history levels. Learning plan. Leaderboard. Yes, leaderboard. I'm in the Ninja Dominator Connect League. You just have to do. You just have to do bare minimum questions and you can get there. I believe nobody even like does that, right? Let's just go to this question. So, oh, reversal of an interviewer by Roshan Jha. What all is happening in the world, bro? So it's just a very easy question. Like, oh man, come on. So we can just oh wait. Let's just go ahead and select everything. Select. Okay, so back to where we were, right? In a doubly linked list, right? There are two links, right? So this is next and this is previous. Okay, let's just make it like a linked list. It's next, this is nodes next, and this is its previous, right? uh let's take this as head, right? Okay, so we can go ahead and create more of this, right? So two, and its back will be here. So this is next and this is, generally it is written as previous, but like, oh, hi, paradox. uh Baby, what does that mean? Hi, paradox WN9UZ. Let's just close this chat. How do I close this chat? Okay, so let's just go ahead and create a 3, and then I have no idea that I had no idea that people watch my live streams, right? This is its previous and something like that's a lot, but like let's just, so we have to reverse. Obviously there's nothing here and there's nothing here, it's a null, right? uh okay, so we have to reverse its links right now. At this moment how it goes is like, let's just go and create a temporary variable, right? Okay, cool. Let's just go and create a temporary variable. It will go here, we will start from here, go here, go here, go here, and at the end of the day temp will go here, right? But we have to reverse that. We want it to go here, go here, go here, and come back, right? How can we do that? First and the most brute force solution anyone can think is like, just go ahead and create a like stack, right? Stack, okay, and while traversing temp equal to temps, go to your next, and until when this will go. While, so like it will go, Why do people comment like that, man? Come on. Respect someone, yeah? That's not a good thing to come to someone's live stream and do that. I believe I know this guy. Oh, well, hey. I'll talk to you, Sahil, man. Come on. I will talk to you, bro. Stupid bitch. I will talk to you. Okay, so while I will talk to you, man. Come on. So temporary not should be null, right? And we can go temp. You please move forward to your next. Okay. But first, add these in this stack. So we can go ahead and stack. So node start type, right? Stack would have node start type, right? Something like stack st. Okay. In tablet it would have been good, but like I don't want to. It's already connected to my mobile phone, then it would be nonsense. Let's just go. Uh, put user in timeout. Hide user on this channel. Add as a moderator. Uh, I have just put you on timeout for like 5 minutes. You will be back. So we can go ahead and just put these in the stack, 1 and then 2, then 3 and then 4. And when we can create a new list, right? New linked list, and we can just pop out this, get the top from the function st.top, right? sd.top, and create a new linked list, and then go ahead and pop it, and get top, then pop, get top, then pop, right? You can create a new linked list. What will the time complexity of this? It will be like first iterate and then keep storing it, then go again and again iterate. So O of 2n, right? And space complexity, obviously, as everyone knows, O of n. Cool. So that is not a good time complexity. We can just go ahead and optimize it, because no one ever would hire me with a O of 2n time complexity and O of n space. That is not possible, right? And a sile y. So I don't know if you're live or not. Let's go. I believe you are online. N space. How can I do watching now? Okay. So how would we optimize that? It's very easy, bro. It's very easy. I can just go ahead and like I want to do it on my tablet, but I'm already out of port options. So I can show the it is already connected to my laptop, and then every port is no, literally no chance. I had to like remove my speakers to even connect my phone for this beautiful camera. How can we do that? How can we do that? Right? Let's go V and go ahead and select this. Yes, please come with me. Right? Control. Please come with me to here. Let's think. Let's think how we can do. How we can do it in O of n time. I believe that's a very easy question. Yes, it is a easy question. Yeah, and but it is asked in a lot of companies, even Deloitte, Goldman Sachs. I have someone in Goldman Sachs. IBM, I do not have. Uh, Dream 11, is Dream 11 still in business? How are they earning, bro? Betting account तो बंद हो गए. Okay, back to topic. Back to our topic. So let's not just go ahead and write it as head, and this is temp. Okay, we would need more variables. How much more? Just one. How did I think? So when we were young, when we were like बचपन में, what do you used to do? To swap variable swap. Okay, so we can apply that here. But to swap a variable, we need a third variable, third like different variable, which is not related to the two we have to swap. Okay, so third different variable we need to swap two variables. Okay, I believe that was confusing, but let me explain. Let me explain. Right, this is temp. Okay, we will create a back at the position null. So uh, this points to null, right? It's a full-on node, but like it does not have to point to anywhere. Uh, oh, where did my back go, bro? Hmm. Back. So we are standing here, right? We want it's this and this to get swapped. So what is this? This is temps next. Uh, I have actually hit the chat section. So okay, so people, what does the roadmap look like apart from learning C++ and DSA? What should I do? See, I am in third years engineering student interested in HFT and low systems. Uh, if you are from tier three, then forget it, bro. I'm also from tier three college. Just forget it, man. They will like, what is the roadmap? There's no roadmap, man. Literally, like, just go on Code Forces or Lead Code and do contests, right? But to get good at that contest, you need to grind a lot. Like, you need to become a candidate master or master on Code Forces, right? So, or even at coder like Brown or something like that. You need to be like very high in the, what do we say, competitive programming. Then only they will hire from a different college than IIT. If you're from IIT, then just go ahead and like uh, apply anywhere. You will just get shortlisted easily. Then you have to just crack their interviews, which are notoriously very challenging. But like, if you are from IIT, they will just go ahead. Yeah, the guy is from IIT. He's done his hard part already. Just go ahead and let loose. Okay. Apart from C++ and DSA, and just go ahead and focus on thinking. Right. That is all. Nothing else has to be done. So let's just go back to the question. So we will go ahead and we will tell the back uh, v back, please go ahead and store temps next, right? Temps next. Why एक minute, temps, why is back storing temps next? Okay, let's just go ahead and just let me talk. I know what I'm doing, right? We need to update the temps next to temps previous. I'm doing this in C++. You can just go ahead and do a dot here. It will become Java code, right? Okay, and so temps next is done. Temps previous. Where does temps previous need to go? Where does temps previous need to go, bro? Okay, so temps next, right? Temps next. Please go to temps previous. Temps previous was here. Temps previous over here. I did not select the pen. Temps next goes here. Got it. Temps previous. Temps previous. Please go. How does ये कैसे बन जा रहा है? Please go to this. We stored back here, right? Remember? So we can just forget this for a moment. And temps previous go to back. Okay. Now go to back. And temp will move forward, right? I'm doing something wrong. I'm doing something wrong. I cannot point a finger on it, but I am doing something wrong. Temps previous, it was pointing to this. Oh, okay. Temps previous needs to be stored here, right? Okay, temps next will go to temps previous, and temps previous will go to back. Everything else will work completely fine, right? And this code will run in off end time. We'll just go to every position, and instead of this, we'll be doing this and this. कुछ कर रहा हूँ भाई. भाई it is too late. 7:40 हो रहा है भाई. इस टाइम कौन जिम जाएगा? अजीब ही वियर्डो है भाई. Okay, so that is how that will be done. Yeah, no wonder no one in my locality even considers it. What does they consider? What do they consider? Uh, I have no idea. Bro, how is the placements in Mate CST branch planning to join? Keep growing. Ali Abdal has been posting a lot lately. Right, so this was done and the code was like gone. Okay, there's submission step, right? Now let's go. So See everything that we did, current and head, back's null. Back will take the currents previous will then get to currents next. And okay, also to iterate here we will anyone can think that space complexity would be O of 1, right? But to iterate here, instead of temps next, you will be doing temps previous, right? Because we are going back. Okay, so this is done, right? If you want to see the code, here's the code. uh, why is code for okay, current will go to its previous position, and at the end of the day we will be printing out back's previous. We are doing that because here at the end of the day temp will be going here, and then at this moment the temp will be here, but like uh, the back will be somewhere here. So it's previous when after updating this, so this will go here, and its previous will be 4. So this is the new head, right? How would we return that back's previous? Okay, it has gone a lot of messy e. So this will be like 4's next will be this, and 3's back will be this, and back will be here, and temp will go here, temp will go here, and temp we will run the loop until temp is not null. So this will get skipped, so we need to include that as the, or we will just lose this. So we do not want to lose that and uh, like ruin the question. Okay, I did that, and these are some of the questions I did that. Oh my god, by Tortoise Hare method, Floyd's loop detection method. Very, very easy. The name is like, bro. Talking out code is very difficult, yeah. Let me get some water first. I'll be back. You guys want some water? Cheers. One watching now. I'm only watching my stream. Everybody left. Never build servers with Node.js again. I don't build servers with Node.js. Top fans 75 XP. I have no idea what that is. Prime 9519 is my top fan. How do you even say stand out? This resets, send super chats and super stickers and like chat. Yeah, please don't go ahead and send super chat, man. Come on. Send live chat messages. Oh, okay. So let's just talk about the other question. Middle of a linked list. This question, like, it is one of the question that anyone can think like, wow, man, that is a good question. So in this question, what is the case? Right? This is a case where it's like one and it's a rectangle, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and it's a middle of a linked list. So it's a normal linked list. So like delete this, and this will go here, and A go here, goes here, goes here, and this goes here. Okay, this goes to null pointer, right? This is a linked list. It's what? I'm not very good drawing, but like, I'm trying, bro. I should buy like a uh, adapter, like hub or something like that. So let's just talk about how the middle of the linked list will work. So how anyone thinks that this can be done is like, let's just close this so that I do not keep. So let's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we are given head of this linked list here, okay. How do we know this is the middle of the linked list, right? See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Size of the linked list becomes size is 5. Yes, size is 5. Okay, okay. I have a I'll buy a hub, right? So that I can like try to connect with my tablet. So okay, middle of the linked list. I can tell you the brute force approach. Brute force approach is just go ahead and put this in a any data like structure, like a linear data structure, put it in an array or anything, and return true. Just go ahead and count size, do its like 4 by may 2, and just go ahead and return the that node, right? Or like what we have to return, we need to return that now. Yeah, go ahead and return that. Okay, what if the this is a 6 one, right? Okay, so what if the linked list is hand tool 6 1 d, here's 5, right? Then we have to give this one uh, here we have to return the second middle node, right? Second middle node. So these both will be middle nodes, but you have to return this one, second middle node. So again same case, right? If that is true, like if that if the size of the linked list is divisible by 2 equal to 0, then just go ahead and give that. And if it is not, then just go ahead and divide by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2 plus 1, do it and return 3. So that will be required, like time complexity would be O of like wants to traverse, okay, and wants to find that is a more optimized approach. Like you can just go ahead and say that it will be well O of n approach, because you just go once, that's it, and then go ahead and access that point. Okay, no, O of n plus O of n by 2, because then you have to go into that linked list and give out the node. Okay, space complexity O of n. In the worst case, you even in the any case you would have to go ahead and store all the elements. But how can we do it better? This is the interesting part. Here you need to learn one concept which is very very cute, named as Tortoise and Hare method. Right, Tortoise and Hare method. What is that, bro? I'll tell you. The concept of fast and slow pointers. Yeah, fast and slow pointers. You'll ask, what is that, man? Come on. I'll tell you. Okay. If we are in a park, consider we are in a park, right? Consider we are in a park and we are like, you and me are in a park. Okay. Mm, okay, that would be for the loop detection. We are using Tortoise fast and slow pointers. Fast and slow pointers. You'll ask. We will create a slow pointer here and a fast pointer here. Okay. What we have to do next? The fast pointer, right? Fast pointer will move two spaces in one iteration. Okay, and slow pointer will go only one space in one iteration. Okay, how does that help us to find the middle of this bullshit? Let's just talk about it. Fast is here. Okay, iteration number one, right? We will talk about the conditions. Let's just assume there are no while true. Okay, let's just assume that is just a while true. Okay, so we will talk about these conditions, but let me explain you the concept of fast and slow pointers. Just go ahead and fast will move two spaces. Okay, 1 2, fast is here, and in the same iteration slow will go one pointer fast. Okay, did you it is still true, keep going. Okay, 1 2, slow is here, slow pointer will be here, Captain Slow. uh, Top Gear reference if anyone sees that. So fast next will be null. Okay. So can we like write it key fast until fast next, because we have reached, if you see clearly, we have reached the middle point, right? We have reached the middle point. This was the middle point. Okay. Oh, okay. Laser was good, but like not very good. Frame. What is frame? Oh, okay. Let's just delete that. We have reached the middle element. Congrats. And you can just go ahead and print out slow. But here fast next, right, will be a null. Okay. So we cannot go forward. Okay. We can go ahead and return null. So we got one uh, condition, right? So while fast next, so fast next should not be a null. Okay. What about we do this, and instead I say uh, here here's a 6. Now how will we talk? In the same iteration, what will happen? This fast pointer will move 1 2, reaches null. Okay, is fast next null? It is not. Slow will move 1 forward. Once again, congrats. We have to return that. Yes. Or. Okay. Correct. Yeah. Fast. Okay. Should not be itself null. Okay. Slow. Please go to your next position. Slow.next. If anyone is watching in like Java enthusiast, or fast, right? It's next. Okay, and if after this is complete, go ahead and return slow will be reached at the middle point, right? Why this works? Because in that delta is always 1, right? Fast will go from here. If we try to trace the fast, where it will go, fast will be here, fast will be here, fast will be here, and then fast will be here. Okay, but slow, right? Slow will go here, and here. Okay, until the fast goes here, the slow will reach here. Okay, so fast is here. Okay, uska slow here. Okay, इसका स्लो यहाँ पे. The delta 1 makes a lot of difference, but instead of this, if we do 2, so like fast next, then it would just ruin the question. So that is the same concept if we do that for. Okay, This was done, and reversal linked list iterative was also done. Same concept that that I explained using that. Detect a loop. Use the fast brute force. Go ahead and create a stack, right? Here, let me. I was doing linked list cycle 2. It was easy, but like doing it in O of n time was like it required some thinking, right? Okay, I am just doing that question. I will update you after I do that, right? Okay. So in this question, we will use the concept of that. Again, brute force approach will be like just go ahead and create what we have to do. We have to detect a cycle now. Go ahead and create an unordered map and do okay, unordered map. The key should be node star because we will be saving the nodes. We cannot. What if happens like two? There's another node. There's another node, and its value is also two. Then two nodes, but nodes that position in the node star we are accessing the position at that place. So no two things can be same placed at same position, right? In memory, in memory, because it's already filled. I'll just switch on the fan. It's getting very hot. So no two, uh, what do we say? Objects can sit at one position in the memory, so that will work, right? Let's go ahead and please do not fall, man. Come on. I do not have any space where to keep this guy. Please sit here. Do not fall. In this, you can go ahead and create an unordered map. Uh, Push the node and in push a one. Just put a one. Okay. If we have seen it, we can just use the auto iterator, right? And it will give us an O of one time. If that has we so time complexity will be like O of 2 O of 2n into इसका तो complexity 1 रहेगा तो O of 2n में but if you are using that map we can do it in log n में okay but I would prefer कि O of 1 वाला you can just go auto iterator you know how to find map dot find auto it equals to m dot find by the we will be taking a temporary variable so go ahead and put the temporary variable on the head and traverse it okay and keep adding it to the and if we have seen it just go ahead and return the temp I believe yeah just go ahead and return true okay just go ahead and return true okay and by default if there is no loop the temp will at any moment will reach the end okay so point it out null and space complexity would be O of n because we have to the worst case like we have to fill that right we have to fill O of n minus 1 or 2 so we will fill that okay let's just go back and we can do this by using Tortoise and Hare method in this what will work if you are in a park right you are in a loop okay if you are in a park so no two same guys which are not in a park going different directions will never meet okay but two guys right each one having a different speed even different speed they will meet again at some point they will meet twice okay so if we go right the you might have like done that so we can create 2 pointers and we will be pointing first one here and then fast slow pointer will sit here right in first iteration this will go here okay let's just I can copy images yes paste so see how do I increase the size of this yes okay so if let's this is S and F okay in first iteration this has to move 2 steps so, okay 1 2 This will go here. Okay, they are in a loop now. Okay, now they will pakka meet. Okay, this will go 1, 2 and back. This will go here, but this will move here. Same iteration, right? F now reaches here, and in the same iteration, this will they pakka wala meet. When they meet, just return true. That's it. That's the end of the question. You do it in O of n time, right? So that was also done. Find a starting point in linked list. This was I was doing. So that is all for my, and I did some system design, right? So I'm doing from like what do we say, coder army, and that guy is teaching I believe oops basic plus. So what is I'll just go ahead and what is LLD? LLD is nothing but like how do you architect a system, right? How do you think of the, like, you're not thinking of the load balancer like tech stack servers, how will this, no, we are thinking machine. What is, how do we like organize the code, how do we architect the code, right? So how do we make it scalable, how do we make it more maintainable, how do we make it more loosely coupled, we don't want it tightly coupled. If I have written an function which adds to a number, right, and given its reference to some other, then in that implementation, if it is tightly coupled, the guy makes some other changes in that implementation, and this ruins up my function. That is not we want. We want that we things should be loosely coupled. Okay, and that is LLD. That is LLD for you. Okay, so that is a low level design. I love, actually loved it, like what we were doing. So yeah, I will keep on you updating, and that's a wrap. That's a wrap. Jai Siya Ram, everybody. Goodbye. My leg is itching very much. Goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Damn, bro, it's almost an hour. Bye.